welcome back to my channel. So it's gonna be a super fun vlog because I'm gonna bring you guys along on a staycation with 4 points. They have a whole ass itinerary for me planned out, and yeah, thank you 4 points for sponsoring this video, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along. And let me show you guys my freaking luggage because you wouldn't believe me. Also, Anastasia, if you're watching this, my favorite lip liner has been yours in the shade Cool Brown, and it's not in stock in Sephora physically, and I can't wait any longer and order this online because, like, bruh. But anyway, I love you. If you guys want to send me, I'll be so grateful. You see that lip liner? I'm gonna just add a drugstore lipstick. It looks like the lips of your dream. Just kidding. This is what I mean by y'all will be shocked, because like there's way more color than my life. Like, that's what I beg, and I'm a neutral girly, and I guess I'm getting into all the summer colors. Let's go and have lunch at the most exciting place. Have you guys seen this huge Sephora paper bag? I haven't, but thank you to you guys. I got this off a PR. Another PR. It's when I miss my man. But yeah, let's go. Okay, I am already parked in the hotel, and I'm so excited because I'm on time, and I'm excited to have lunch.
And third one, we have a oolong black tea that from Khesyuuu is a type of like a Chinese flavor. So you have to mix, you put a bit in it.
Yeah, I'll go with the oolong black tea. The oolong. Jasmine, roses, and it focuses dark. So the first set you can't taste.
Because the first water you only taste the base flavor. The second water only you can taste the base and modifier.
Okay.
Because it takes to time 5 minutes.
Now you know.
Okay.
Wait, I'm scared it's gonna be hot. Okay, now the tea making workshop is done. It's high tea time. It's their Peranakan Affair afternoon tea by Lady Yi and Madam Lee. Fine. So I chose the Fruitylicious, and they told me that it's gonna be hella sour. Let's see if it's my kind of sour. Not at all. It's sour. It has a perfect note of sour. I love this. Thank you for enjoying my aesthetic shot. I was just reading the freaking menu. If you guys haven't eaten, I'm sorry, I'm gonna make you guys hungry. Because like this is what I just got. This is all the desserts. And that's the meal. And that's the scones. Yeah. If you guys are jealous, don't be jealous. 4 points is just right around the corner. Come and have yourself, because it tastes delicious. Let's eat duck. Also, if you guys don't know, fun fact about me is that I was 16 years vegetarian since birth. So whenever I have to try something new, like duck or like a new chicken, like not the fried chicken, it's so... I'm so scared. But I've tried duck before, a different type of duck, and it's nice. So hopefully this is as well. God help me. Yummy. Look at this little baby. There's prawn inside. So nice. Just look at the filling. This very coil. Very coil. Coconut, very coil. Just added more water and the sour is kicking in. Tour, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I recorded it in like, because I wanted to post on my Instagram reel. But now I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna walk around Chinatown and create some Adidas content because I received their very cute taekwondo shoes. So yeah, let me show you guys what I plan on wearing. And the whole setup is super minimal and I really need this vacation, like a short vacation, and thank you so much 4 points for sponsoring. Like I really actually need this break for myself. So yeah, break is supposed to be no content, but I enjoy creating content. So okay, this is my first outfit. I'm hella uncomfortable because my butt crack is out. But I didn't bring any other skirt, and I feel like this is so cute with the Adidas. I'm gonna go and create some contents, and I'll come back and change to another outfit because I want to show how I can wear these shoes. Hello! Adidas gave me another one more like shoelace, and it's so cute. Look at this. So I thought it's gonna match perfectly with my yellow outfit. So yeah, and go and create more content because the more the merrier. This is my another outfit which is so comfortable, and the shoelace is the best part. So now I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's go and create some content. Room is clean, moon is there. I changed so the curtain is closed, but let's go. Okay, now we are in the Chinatown, like right in the middle. I never in my life would have thought that I will be doing all of this by myself, but I'm just walking around to see which cafe is nice. This fits my feet perfectly, but yeah, a loner for life. Okay, I am done here. It was so hella crowded. I'm probably gonna grab something to eat or drink before the dinner later. It's at 6:30 p.m. But yeah, let's grab something. There's durian. To go. Let's see what food they have, because they say one of the best Malaysian cuisine, but I'm not sure which one. I got myself nasi lemak. They say that is one of their best, but I didn't want to get the chicken, so yeah, let's see if it's really the best. Yay! I makan ready. Now I'm gonna go back to the hotel and I'm gonna quickly change and get ready for dinner. I'm back and I've changed to something really cute. Like, let me show you guys the back. Woohoo! Okay, so it's just a cute fit for dinner. I'm just skipping the makeup, and because this is gonna be the last thing for today. Gonna bring my handy dandy belly flats from Shein. And everyone who just don't understand belly flats seem to think that this is an auntie sandal. Girl, that is hella comfortable, and you can think whatever you want. I love it. Boy, just so many freaking, like a freaking seafood on ice. Yes sir. How adorable is this? Such a throwback. Like if my sister Shaita just share literally your heaven is here. Okay, this looks so nice. Let me just quickly try it. I'm not a big fan of seafood, but it looks so good. Like this, over here. Salmon is one of my favorite fish. Let me try that. I love it. Good morning. I had the best night ever, and I'm gonna quickly get ready. All done. I am ready. I did 2 contents and I went to the Rex experience KL, and oh my god, I forgot to bring you guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, it was such a fun experience. Now I'm gonna bring you guys along for a cocktail making class, which sounds so exciting because I've had many cocktails in my life, but never once I make. So this is gonna be something new. My fate for the cocktail making class. Let's go. Let's start.
Okay, today I the one going to contact the master.
Cheers.
Nice to meet you, Cash.
Nice to meet you too. Make a tofu pho cocktail. Can't believe myself.
I can't believe myself.
Can't believe. That was a great class. I'm gonna go and have my dinner, but I just wanna have a very chill evening. I'll go and have my dinner and come back because I feel very exhausted. I am back and it was a great drink, a mocktail because I didn't have the mood to drink cocktail and I was so tired. I'm gonna remove my makeup and watch Netflix. All done. Onto the bed. Hello. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick recap. I really had fun today. It's actually been super duper comfortable and a rewind that I really didn't know I needed. It was really a perfect stay and I definitely am gonna bring more people. Convenient because everything is nearby and I've been enjoying my stay and I'm probably gonna enjoy my sleep tonight, which I really need after a long day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm checking out, which is one of the saddest thing to do, but everything comes to an end. I hope I can come again.
Hey, Dakota.
Morning. Good morning. Okay, you can hear Evelyn's voice in the background, but yeah, I'm gonna go have some breakfast. But look at my feet. It's giving summer, it's giving fall, it's giving I don't know, but to find a top for this skirt was, so I decided to borrow Natasha's top to match the blue in the lines. But yeah, let me go makan. Hey guys, I am back and I actually thought I'm not gonna wear makeup, but I have like 2 hours till checkout, like I mean 1.5 hours, and I want to burn time, so let's do some simple glam. Have somewhere to be, like something important, but I am required not to wear super sexy to that place, so that's why I'm dressed in this, even though I have like I don't know what is that, and like a freaking middle dot, like somebody punched me and it only bleed like 1 dot. Okay, yeah, that doesn't make sense, but I love this Makeup Forever pouch or makeup bag. It comes with a mirror, but it comes in white, and I'm not good with that. Makeup's done. Such a simple makeup. I killed about 20 minutes, I guess. It's 10:51 now, and I'm just gonna, I really don't know what to do. So sad, but I'm leaving, guys, and it was definitely a super duper great stay, and I am gonna check out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys want more video of this, like me rewinding in a hotel, bringing you guys along in doing random stuff. Even though I'm a Malaysian, I literally just acted like a freaking tourist in the mid KL, but I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely needed this. Go back to reality and go and create some more enjoyable content for you guys. And till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, bye. I love you guys.